Berry's Création. Share, like, give me a thumbs up if you like it. So guys, I got a short video for you, a short DIY. I make some t-shirt for sale. So I tried to create a little design for you, and then you're gonna see everything I use to create that design, to create that look. So you know, Berry's Création always look for something to create, look for something to reproduce. So I try my best to create it. So you need your t-shirt, and then you can go to Dollar Tree, you buy some elastic stuff. So I got some somewhere, but I can't find it when I need it. So that the way I use a little tape to put the dime in the t-shirt. So you see what I'm gonna do, and then you're gonna see everything. I buy the dime at Michael's. I got 40% off, so it coming up to something dollars. So there was some on sale too, but you know, I try to don't buy too much. So because that's the first time I gonna be dime t-shirt. I make t-shirt before, but not dime everything. So I gonna do that for you guys, and then you're gonna see the way I put it, and then you're gonna let it dry 20. You're gonna let it dry almost half a day, and then after that you wash it. You wash it well, or you can leave it at 9 to 24 hours to dye gonna be stay in the shirt. So I use I think so I use half a day, and then after that I wash everything, and then to create the look. So guys, you see I got 2 t-shirts. I try first before I do everything. So and then after they finish dry, you wash it. When you finish wash, I wash it 3 or 2 times, I think so. So because when you see the color coming up, so you're supposed to rewash again. Rewash until you see the real color. The water is clear. So I put some salt and vinegar and the water to make the color not coming so much in the t-shirt too. So you can do something else, but I forgot. So that's my first time doing it, but the second time I gotta do it better. If you like more than that, just let me know in the comment section, and then I'm gonna create more for you guys. So and then after that I buy my DTF transfer from Amazon and AliExpress, and then I buy some too at TikTok, but they're not coming yet. So I said, let me create something because I see somebody ask me for t-shirt for breast cancer. So I try to create something. If you like it, if you want to see more, let me know. And then share with somebody, share with your friend, share. So you see I use 2 colors for that t-shirt. I use the dark pink and then light pink together, so that's gonna make the shirt look gorgeous. So I do everything I try to do everything, try to create everything, guys. So for the transfer, you're gonna see when I put in the heat machine, and then I'm gonna try to grab everything you see to make the look gorgeous. then you're gonna see everything what I do. So that the t-shirt, I press it down first before I put the design, and then before I put the design, so I gonna press it down. I put my machine was 390, and then for the 10 second, and then after that I gonna pull it off. They have some you can left you can put it now. That's a cold one. This is a cold DTF transfer. So you're gonna let it cool down first, and then after that you're gonna peel it. So but they have some you can just pull it when it's hot, but this one was a little bit cold, so that the way I do a little cool down before I do another press. Now you're gonna put your paper in the top, and then you press it down for 10 seconds again, and then now you let it go. That's the machine I use. That's a gift from my husband. So I use everything when I see something, I try to create everything. So this is the t-shirt. So you're gonna see many t-shirts I made. So don't worry about the background, guys. So I got so much stuff for the store. I don't put it yet on the website. So see you next time for the next video. You see that one I put a little bit of because I need the center, that the way you see I do that in the t-shirt, and then I put 3 fingers to measure the neck from the for the image gonna be not too high for the neck. So I try everything you see, and then see you next time for the next video. I hope you enjoy that video. Share with somebody, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe.